welcome to this video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Yesterday I said I wasn't going to take any trade inside this area until we break here. But this in during New York today, I saw a really good setup. This is like an A plus setup. I call it the breaker block plus an imbalance or an other block. This in model, and this in essentially what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a failed order block. And this is on a 30-minute time frame. On a 30-minute time frame, I have another block here. This last selling candle before the buy, that was another block here. That was a resistant area that led to price taking out this action right here. Let me zoom it in. It led to price taking out this. So this is the other block right here. It led to price taking out this high and this high. So that was the other block, and we are reacting from here. I was inside a trade here. I was initially selling from here, but I took profit around this area because the market was closing. So this area was what I was looking for price to come and break. And once we broke this area, what I did was I made sure we broke and closed below this area, indicating that price is bearish and we are heading towards this area. So after breaking and closing below this area during New York, price was around here, and this was my entry. I entered around here, and my take profit is this low right here. This is where I'm looking for price to come to, and it's 4.1 to 4.5 hours. So currently price is at that point right now. The market will close in the next 15-minute time frame, but it's not going to be a problem for me. I'm going to hold because if the market open, it might just come and take me. So this model right here, I call it the breaker block continuation model. It's a very popular model, and it's an A plus setup. Very good setup. And this model, the reason why it's an A plus setup is because it's not the start of the move. The start of the move is here. We are reacting from a resistance. So this candle that push price to go and tap into the resistance, that's the other block. And the moment it failed and gives an imbalance, especially when you have an imbalance that is aligning with the breaker block, just take a trade on it. So that's the trade I'm taking on gold right now. But on the BTC front, BTC is down like 7% today already. It's really crazy, like insanely crazy how BTC is down. BTC is down so I think we are exploring down. We are going down. We want to get below the 100,000. I think we'll come and dig below 100,000. So on BTC, what I'm looking for is I have this right here. I have this 4-hour other block right here, and this is where I'm looking for price to come back to for us to continue selling. If price is still bearish, I'm not looking for price to break this zone right here. I'm not looking for price to break this zone right here because this is also an order block, and we are inside here. So I'm not looking for price to break it. I need price to come back into this area, tap me in, and continue going. So that's what I'll be looking for. I'm looking for is this is the 4-hour time frame. So when price gets here, I'll get to the 15-minute time frame and just look for my entry on the lower time frame and keep riding. But Bitcoin is down like 7% today, and I wasn't able to catch anything. I was supposed to take a sell here, but yesterday I took a buy, so I wasn't able to see the setup clearly. This is the same breakout block continuation model. See, we're reacting from a resistance here on the 1-hour time frame, and we broke this other block right here, this last bearish candle that pushed price up. We broke it, and the price retraced back into it, and we sold off from here. This is like -7%. That was what BTC did, so it is what it is. And on GBP/JPY, still the same thing. GBP/JPY, actually I'm looking for price to, I'll be waiting unless we open tomorrow and during Asia we came here, then I'll be looking to sell from here coming down here. But if we continue going down low, I'm going to be waiting, and the reaction from here I'm going to be buying for us to come back to this area. So if price should get here, I'm going to be buying, because once we close this gap, we will look to shift and buy. So that's what I'll be looking for on the GPJPY. On you listen on crude oil, I'm still waiting for price to come and break this resistance right here. The price is bearish, so I'm still waiting for price to come and break this opening gap, so I can just start selling from here, and my target will be here. So that's what I'm looking for, and that's what I'll be doing on the markets this week. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.